Aftermarket air filtration systems on your Mercedes. User Speed Demon sent me a question this week that I thought was a really good topic. He asked me about a cone air filter on his 617 turbo diesel. There are a lot of problems with these pieces of junk, cone air filters, not the cars, that I want to discuss in this video. And I also want to discuss how you can set your air cleaner up so that the mounts don't break and the bracket doesn't break and the thing actually works like it's supposed to do. So let's start. Here's why I don't like cone air filters. Because they actually don't filter the air that well. They let more air in, but their filtration percentage rate is about 25 to 30% lower than the stock air filter made by Hinkster Man. What does this mean? Well, on a lot of these cars, over 30, 40, 50,000 miles, I've seen so much contaminated air get in that the engines start to develop more and more blow-by as time goes on. Why? Because they're letting little tiny dirt particles into the engine. And that stuff is not good on a Mercedes diesel because it causes cylinder liner scoring, which causes lower compression, it causes blow-by, it causes higher oil consumption. Anytime I see one of these cars that's had a cone air filter on it for a while, they never run right, they never idle smoothly, they never start right. They don't run crisply and beautifully like a lot of the Mercedes diesels in our shop at all. They're like, you know, and you'll see like the endless list of things that these people have tried to get their car to run right, but they're married to that stupid cone air filter. Okay, now I'm going to share my secrets with you about why none of the cars in our shop have broken air cleaner brackets. Are you ready? Nothing big here. First of all, start with good motor mounts. S11 Limforder mounts, genuine Mercedes mounts, even, yeah, well, Limforder packages the Phoenix mount that has the S11 on it, but you really want to use OEM factory motor mounts. You don't want to use any of this Meili or Phoebe crap. Second of all, genuine Mercedes air cleaner bracket. It's probably no secret to most of you guys that the air cleaner brackets you buy from MTC, which are the silver ones, don't fit. So pay the $1.17 for a Mercedes bracket, be happy. Third, buy the $17 air cleaner buffers from Mercedes. Yes, they are expensive, but I've also had really good luck using the non-turbo hexagon buffers, and they're only $3 a piece. So if you really can't swing the $17 for the factory buffers, buy the $3.10 ones for a 240D or 300D non-turbo. One more thing, use the factory heat shield. There's a little cup-shaped heat shield that you screw the buffer into, and in turn the buffer screws into the bracket. And this heat shield really does protect the rubber from melting due to turbo heat. Make sure that the drain hole is positioned to the left, to the right side of the car so that any fluid in there can actually drain out. Last, replace the air charge tube seals. There's an upper air charge tube seal and a lower air charge tube seal, and they are different part numbers. Make sure and change them, and make sure that they actually fit properly when you put the U-shaped air horn on. If that air horn, the elbow macaroni, shows any deterioration, I replace it too, because it's $17 or $18 last time I checked. The clamps are fine, you don't have to replace the clamps, but I do those things, and those brackets almost never go bad. If you have an engine shock in your car too, make sure that your engine shocks are in good order as well. Okay, so for more information, please like or subscribe, and don't forget to share these videos, and if you have more questions about your Mercedes, drop us a line.